kids! You can see I'm getting ready for Christmas because I've got my Christmas jumper on. But I've also been thinking about how I could tell people about Jesus this year. So I thought I'd get creative, and so I've made my own puppet theatre. So, if you want to make your puppet theatre with me, you can ask and send off for the instructions, and you can follow the craft videos over the next few weeks, and so that you're ready for Christmas Day. Shall I show you the first bit? Come on over and have a theatre. The first thing you're going to need is your downloadables. Now you can send them for these through the post, or you can download them and print them at home. You've got a choice. You can pick the colour version, or you can pick the ones that need colouring in. I've had fun colouring in mine. I prefer that one. But I know some of you struggle, so you might want to pick this one instead. Just make sure you let us know on your stamped addressed envelope. Let's get crafty. Hi, I hope you had fun doing that. Have you got all your characters ready? I've still got an awful lot to do. I've got a lot of sticks to make. Next week I'll be showing you actually how to make the theatre for yourself. So don't forget to nip in next week and find out how.